So guys, as you can see, my country, region, city and services ISP is also changed. So hello guys, welcome back in my new video, and in today's video I will cover how to install OpenVPN in your Kali Linux. Okay. So basically, what is OpenVPN? OpenVPN is an open source VPN virtual private network protocol that provides secure communication over the internet. It uses encryption techniques to ensure privacy, authentication and integrity for data transmission. It is important for secure remote access, and furthermore, for installing it, follow the commands. First, we need to update our repos and all repositories. For that, sudo apt update. Okay, then give the password accordingly, and then the update will be finished. Why OpenVPN was made? Okay, for secure remote access, flexibility and compatibility. Okay, unlike other VPNs or solutions, OpenVPN is highly configurable. Now you need to install your OpenVPN by sudo apt install OpenVPN. Okay, so it will be installed. And OpenVPN work across operating systems, which means it can work in Windows as well as Linux too. Okay, as I am showing the download process in Linux. Now, if you will go in Chrome or any other Mozilla, then you will search for vpnbook.com. Then you will see that the page will show you a list of different VPN free VPN services. Okay, so for that you can just scroll down a bit, and then you will see a option which is OpenVPN. Click there. After that you will see list of servers. Okay, you can download anyone. As I have downloaded this one, it will be extracted, so you need to extract here. Okay, so basically it is a zip file, you need to extract it. If you will extract, then you will get 4 more configuration files inside this particular zip file. Okay, now move to the downloads part where the exact file was. Okay, the extracted file was in downloads, so we will go in downloads accordingly. See the VPN book OpenVPN D20. Okay, so we will go inside this particular directory. Okay, so for that we will use cd VPN book and OpenVPN D20. Okay, now if I do ls, then the 4 configuration files are shown as usual. I am showing it from here also. See, the 4 configuration files are there. We can select any one. Okay, keep in mind you can select any one among 4. You can select any one. Okay, so as I am selecting any one from this particular 4 configuration files. OpenVPN is also very important for strong encryption and security. It supports robust encryption standards like AES and making it a secure option against cyber threats. Okay, now you need to write sudo OpenVPN, then select any one from 4 of them, then hit enter. Then it will ask for enter the username. So how you will get the username? Go back to that particular site and you will see the username is there and the password is also in down. Okay, you can see the username, copy it and just go and paste there accordingly, and the password was also there. After giving the username and password, wait some time, it will be establishing the connection. Basically, see, it's showing initialization sequence completed. Now if you want to check if our IP, city and all are changed or not, for that you can type what is my IP address. This website shows you the exact your geolocation as well as IP2. Okay, see, if we will go inside, then you will see that your IP has been changed, the region, city has been changed, the country is also changed. If you learned something new, then subscribe. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.